Hi, my name is Mariah Bosch. I'm the current president of the Chicanics Writers and Artists Association. To tell you a little bit about us, we are a student-run collective that was started in the 1990s by Daniel Chacon and Andres Montoya, and we aim to showcase the voices of marginalized or underrepresented communities. One way we do that is through our student-run, designed, compiled, edited journal, Flies, Cockroaches, and Poets, which has been around since Qua's conception. But that's one opportunity that you have to get a little bit of editorial experience and to just kind of help celebrate not only voices of Fresno and the Central Valley, but voices from far beyond that. Another thing that you can do is you can contact us at quasubmissions@gmail.com or see us on social media as a way to get in touch and find out about virtual meetings. I plan on doing meetings with the whole club, that way we can still see each other during this weird time. But the best way to do that is just to email us at our Gmail and we'll add you to the mailing list. So that's quasubmissions@gmail.com. Other things we plan to do this semester are going to be hopefully some virtual readings with some great poets and artists. But in the fall, we'll send out our call for submissions for the journal. And then in the spring, we compile and release the journal. So a lot of great opportunities for community at a time when you may not feel like there really is much. So I hope to see you at our virtual meetings here in the future.
Hello everyone, I'm Alex Flores, the incoming president of Fresno State Students of English Studies Association, which we abbreviate to CESA. We're a graduate student organization that supports students in the English MA program, though often our activities will appeal to undergraduate English majors. One of the things we do to support the MA community is the series of workshops we organize. These are events where we invite members of the English department's faculty to come and present on a topic of interest to us MA students. The other big thing that CESA does is every year at the end of the fall semester we put on our own academic symposium. We partner with English 205, the Research Methods and Theory course for the English MA, so everyone in their first year of the program participates in the symposium. And it's always a really cool event. We invite the Dean of College of Arts and Humanities to speak. Everyone gets to see what everyone else is working on. It's a big community moment for the department. So if you want to get involved with CESA or you want to help us put on events, we welcome you to come to our meetings. We'll be advertising through email, so look for our messages. I encourage everyone to stop in and help out. If you have an idea for a workshop or you want to suggest a topic for a future symposium, bring it on in. We're the voice of the English MA students in the department and the university. We look forward to seeing you at our events and our meetings.
Hi everyone. A big welcome to all the first year students in the program and to returning students as well. My name is Melinda Medeiros and I'm currently the president of the San Joaquin Literary Association. We are a student organization here at Fresno State who hosts literary events throughout the school year. Some of our main events include a reading in the fall for first year students, and in the spring we like to bring out at least one author who we love. We also like to host informative and relevant workshops whenever possible. So if any of these events interest you, or if you just want to get to know the Fresno writing community a little bit better, I encourage you to come out to our first virtual meeting. We will be sending an email out soon with more information, so keep an eye on your inbox. We look forward to meeting all of you.
Hi, we are the Hmong American Inking Stories, also known as HI. I am Jur Zhong, the president, and also a third year in creative nonfiction.
Hello, I am Gao. I am vice president, and I am currently in my first year for poetry.
Hi, my name is Gia. I am the treasurer. I am a third year in fiction.
Hey, my name is Lee. This is my first year in the MFA program, and I'm the secretary.
HI affirms, encourages, and professionalizes Hmong writers and other historically marginalized voices through workshops, generative writing meetings, and events.
We are always looking to expand our club and welcome new members. Please follow us on our social media, such as our blogs and on Facebook.
We wish you a great first year and know that you have us, your fellow peers, and to talk to, and you have HI as a resource. Thank you.
Thank you.